if you're new, I'm Jennifer. Today's video is gonna be unboxing and reviewing about My Little Box. So if you don't know what is it, My Little Box is like a subscription you do every month or for a year. You have to pay, and every month you will receive a new box with new products that you can test it, like try it for yourself. And so I just bought it for just 1 month. I didn't want to have for every month, so I bought it with my own money, and it's not a partnership or something else. It's just I bought it for myself. So I just want to discover what's inside, so let's open together. Let's open the box together, so let's go. Oh my god, I can see fluffy stuff. I like fluffy stuff. So, it's Rod. Close your eyes and touch your dreams. So, let's see what's inside. Oh, I can see products. So, it's like a small box. Small box, what I'm saying. Small bag. So cute. So, let's see what's inside. So, what's that? Oh, I think it's for skin. Pure Active is made of aloe vera. Yeah, I think it's for skin, dehydrated skin discomfort. I never used this product, and the brand of the product is Etat Pur. Second product. I don't know, what is it? It's My Little Beauty. You use that for... So this is a perfume for pillowcase. There's another product. So this is for, as I can see that's a mask for hair. It's colored hair, so I don't use color on my hair, so I'll probably give it to my mom. But I like the packaging, it's cute. So that's it on inside the bag. There's nothing, but it's cute. I don't know for what use I'm gonna use that. What's that? So cute, the little cloud stickers. So, oh, it's for tea. This is what Rod. This is for tea, but I don't know what's inside. So, just let's open to see what's inside. Wait a sec. I don't want to rip the sticker, the cloud sticker. So. Oh my god, that's so cute. I think when you drink a tea, you put the tea inside and you close that. Ouch, how do you close that? And you put that in the tea. So cute. Oh my god, that's so cute. I'm absolutely gonna use that. I love tea, so I will use that. So cute. I wasn't waiting for that. So cute. What's next? So this is, oh, it's like Instagram page. So My Little Box receipt every month, surprise and beauty products in your mailbox. So this is the product I received. Looked like a present. Yeah, almost. So inside there was one of this product, this one too. I guess I have the mood board inside. Yeah, so let's see. Yeah, I have the mood board. I'm so happy of that. Wow, I have the mood board. I was looking for one, but now I have one. So glad. Yeah, mood board, letter board. It's kind of the same. Mood board, and behind is letter board. yeah, so let's open together and see how it plays. Oh, so this is letter. There's letters inside. Yeah, there's letter inside. And this is the mood board. I guess I don't know if it's already. Oh yeah, you can move that, as I can see. Yeah, you can move it. This is so cute. I can put it on my desk. Yes, it's cute. It's small, but it's cute. Very useful. The letter, you have everything inside. What's inside? What's that? Once upon a time. So, what's that? Oh, this is if you're, as a gift, you can write here, like I'm offering to whom. You can write here. So cute. Great design. So thank you for watching. So if you like any of the product that I presented you of my little box, so just let me know in the comment box, and if you used one of them, just let me know too, so I will have a little bit a small experience before I use it on me. So don't forget to like, comment and share, and of course to subscribe and click on the bell, so the next time I will upload a new video you will receive a notification. And also, don't forget to follow my social media, where you will see my lifestyle and some of information about my products also. So see you guys, bye!